What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day. Today's finally day. We pick up the car. It's been 2 months, and I'm excited. So let's hop on into it. Let's get there.
There she is. Oh boy. Oh, let's see. Holy shit. That's fine, it's fine. Oh, it's been a hot minute since I've driven this thing. God, it sounds so much fucking louder. We're gonna keep it dry. Yo, why am I a little nervous? I'm your cat. Oh my fucking god! Should I just hammer it?
Yeah, send it.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my! That wasn't even full throttle.
Seriously?
Yeah, no joke.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, from 60. Maybe half. Dude, I'm pushing, I'm big towing it, SpongeBob. Alright, we're gonna plant it. Ready? Alright, full throttle. Holy shit. Yeah, you feel the boost. You feel the boost for sure. It like goes up and then just immediately just, wow. Big toe, SpongeBob, big toe.
That's crazy.
How's it feel in the passenger seat?
It puts you in your seat.
Yeah?
That makes some power now.
Holy shit, dude.
But dyno says 420 to 450.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, this is a heavier car.
Wow.
For sure.
What if I put it in the sport?
It's not in sport.
It's not even in sport. Jesus fuck! Holy shit! Oh my goodness! This is gonna get me in some trouble. This is obnoxious.
Do you hear the diverter valve?
It just, right?
Yep.
Okay, obviously you guys know that was pretty fucking sick, but car with the front grille looks good too. Excellent. Guys, it is so good to be back. As you can tell by my reaction, like the thing like moves. Like you don't need to give it a lot of oomph for it to go. So I know it's been 2 months of waiting and just a lot of stress and everything on this car, but holy shit, it was worth it. Like it was crazy. But I'm excited to make more content for you guys with it now that it's back. I don't know, I'm speechless. We're gonna enjoy, we're gonna chill, and then we'll catch you in the next one, alright guys? Deuces.